Alright guys, we're gonna document this. We need to talk about going to London, why we're going, and I want to just get footage so we can put this all together one day.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you whoever did this. Who did this?
I've been avoiding the passport.
Why?
I don't like to fly at all. And I think subconsciously I didn't get a passport, so I don't have to fly international. Like, I can make the domestic flight, but international, I'm not a fan of flying planes. I have an irrational fear of planes, but I can get over it. So, I don't have a passport. It kind of gives me this built-in excuse that I can't really travel anywhere. But, well, Oasis got back together. How can I not go see them reunite in London? So I have tickets for all of us, but I still haven't got my passport. I'm kind of like, do I really need to go to this, or should I just sell the tickets, you know?
Don't want to go. You can always keep one and sell all the others.
Okay, but what are you thinking? Do you want to go?
Yeah, we want to go.
Why do you want to go?
Because London looks interesting, and I'm so excited for them to reunite.
Okay. Do you like Oasis?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song?
What is Wonderwall?
Yeah, Wonderwall's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the most famous one.
Yo, don't do that.
Yeah, but I think you need to listen to more like the deep cuts. Do you like Half the World Away?
Mm-hmm. Well, how long does London take on the plane?
Okay, so you're not that excited about Oasis. You're more excited about going to London. That's
Yeah.
right. Is that correct?
Yeah, but I kind of want to see them reunite too. And I'm so curious what's in London.
Guys, is it worth it? Should we go to London or no? No, I can see all your white hair.
Ooh.
Yes, a lot of white hair. Many, many white hairs.
Alright, what are we gonna do if we go to London?
Oh, Tommy goes bye-bye.
We are going to watch the concert
And see Big Ben.
and eat nasty foods
So, but okay.
and ride a double-decker
Yeah, I want to go to the top.
and go shopping.
Oh, I will go ride the double deckers top. See Big Ben. And yeah, and the Oasis band.
No, I want to stay home.
No, you have to go to London. No.
I want to
Yeah.
stay home. My name is Birdie.
No. You're gonna have to be babysitted. Mom, just bring her.
Of course, you can't just stay home. You're a baby.
We bring her everywhere. I'll help you find a fidget spinner.
Man, I listened to a lot of Oasis growing up, so going to England to watching them for the reunion be pretty cool. And I guess that's what old guys do. They kind of relive their childhood by going to see bands they grew up on tour. Like Oasis had a huge influence on me. Honestly, like before I even heard their music, I became a fan from reading their interviews. When I was like in high school, we had to subscribe to Newsweek for our social studies class. Every time I get that Newsweek, I'd go straight to the like entertainment section because all the other stuff was boring to me. And I saw this interview with Oasis. It was just Noel and Liam, and it was just like really refreshing. Like They were talking shit about Nirvana, which is kind of like sacrilegious at the time. They speak their mind. They're so confident. I remember being just like deeply impacted by that interview in Newsweek. My wife actually found a copy of it on eBay, bought it for me. I hope I have the courage to get my passport and fly international. And if I go there, I'm gonna make it worth my time. Like, I'm not gonna get on an international flight to go there for the weekend or even a week. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to stay there. It's in summertime too, so just take the kids and maybe just do like a summer vacation out of the country in England and really like immerse myself in the culture. And even a month probably won't do it justice, but I'll get a better idea. Like traveling, you really don't know. You really gotta live somewhere. And I know this because I've lived in different countries. Like there's a difference between living in a country and visiting a country. In the meanwhile, while I try to figure out if I'm gonna go see Oasis, Oasis merch has never really been that good. Music videos have never really been that good. Their album covers haven't really been that good. Somehow Oasis doesn't quite hit the mark when it comes to like, I think their visual branding, their aesthetic. It's not terrible, it's not great, but their merch just has been underwhelming. Like just the Oasis logo, you know, the Oasis logo with this spiraling, what is Union Jack. With this reunion, I've been seeing a lot of dope ass collabs with Oasis. Levi's did a t-shirt drop. I didn't really get to take advantage of it. I was able to get Stella like an extra small t-shirt, but that was it. Then I woke up one day to a text message from a brand that I love but have not been buying from recently, Represent, which is a UK brand. They do a great job, kind of similar vibes to Essentials, but they got their own twist to how they like to do things. But hoodies, joggers, t-shirts, they do a great job. I got a text message from them saying, hey, there is an Oasis drop. So immediately clicked on it, but the stuff came in and I got it. Hoodies, t-shirts, probably didn't need to get everything. Extra large, feels good, nice and heavyweight. Looks great. I love the Oasis. Probably that Manchester City blue. Represent Owners Club. This is the logo that I was talking about, where I was like, I'm not really the Oasis logo kind of covering part of the Represent one. Like, yeah. Powered by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. That's cool. I don't know, I guess it's like, it's not screen printed on. It's like some kind of rubber. Kind of feels like that Essentials rubber logos. That's what it feels like. Yeah, I wish I went XXL. I mean, it's not bad. Damn, I should have did XXL. What the fuck was I thinking? I always get XXL t-shirts. Why did I do that? You know what? It might have been too long. Feels good though. I like it. Good. You know what? Every shirt doesn't need to be massive, right? To me, this is the most fun out of all the t-shirts. The other ones are kind of like souvenir logo shirts. I wish they did like 3 band tees, and these are legit band tees. Right here. Definitely maybe. Oh, that's a cool shirt. Oh, this one is distressed, so it's like meant to be like a band tee. Oh yeah, no question. This one's my favorite t-shirt. Interesting. This one, and I'm glad because this is my favorite one out of all of them, is an extra large, but the sleeves pass my shoulder. So I guess it's just like, just know this, guys. The band tee one is gonna be a little bit longer and baggier. I'm happy about that. You know what? It's fine. That'll work for me. Alright, I got the same shirt, but in white. Collar is distressed? Yeah, it is. So again, a band tee, it's the exact same thing, just inverted colors. I wonder why I bought both colors. There's some size variants. This is also an extra large. It actually is longer than the black one. This is another true band tee. Distressed collar. Again, I'm hoping that this is actually, oh, this is cool. It's got the definitely maybe track listing on the back. That's great. Alright, so 3 band tees, but really just 2 because one's black, one's white, and then like 2 souvenir tees. Oh, large. I'm really happy with large. And this is the last one. I got every single piece from the Represent. Every article of clothing at least. None of the accessories. Again, I do love this. I really, really do. But come on, like 3 of the pieces are the same image. You got a white t-shirt, a black t-shirt, and then you did a black hoodie. I just feel like they missed out on opportunities. Oasis, Noel, Liam have so many iconic images. There is a never-ending supply of like amazing photographs of this band and these 2 guys in particular, and they just use the same image over and over again. That's the only disappointing thing. Alright, so this one is a large, and just know the band tee, band hoodies, they're made a little bit differently. Much more oversized. Still boxy cut though. I like it. It's pretty fire. I actually I prefer this hoodie over this one. This one's more tailored. It's got that kind of Fear of God Eternal Collection hoodie button here too, which is kind of cool. Represent. Thank you for supplying with some dope ass Oasis merch, because it used to be really hard. I didn't really have that much Oasis merch because they don't do a really good job making it or even supplying it, to be honest. But this reunion, they're trying to cash out right now. We may never see them together ever again. But if you're an Oasis fan, Represent fan, no brainer. It's nothing spectacular, but if you're a fan and you want to show your support, this is how you would do it. Looking good, relatively affordable, cool brand, cool band.